Okay, this is a video repair for Mr. Adam Jackson. Here. Okay, the nails are coming up to the shingle. Stay in. See. Okay. Take the nail. This one is sure. Well, the nail's coming out of there. Only got 4 nails out of there. I'm pretty sure there's more. No nails under there anymore, so that'll make it easier for the it's a tad bit longer by a couple millimeters. You can see the granule loss already coming off of the go. You can see rusted nails everywhere. It's not letting the shingle. So that means one thing. Won't be able to. Those nails won't last long enough. You're gonna keep having damage come up here. We'll start putting our nails in. It's nail number 1. I'll put it right here for you. As you can see, while I'm nailing down, you can see the granule loss. Two. That's 3. See already, you can see the granule loss coming up. Put 3 more nails in and we'll be good to go. Fourth nail. Fifth nail. Sixth nail. could just see the granule loss on it. All of that. It's not right. So to me, it'd be rendered unrepairable, and that's the closest shingle we could get. So.